So basically, people, this is Mazes. Okay, here I'm currently live in London. Mazes. Okay, came in early hours of today in the United Kingdom. I can tell you I'm live here. So what is happening is that the people, as you all know, Igbo, they are saying enough of the madness, enough of the killing. That's why they are saying no to killing. So I will go ahead and capture and bring to you what is happening live and direct here at the Trafalgar Square, United Kingdom. Again, once more, I will be here all day, and I would maybe after this event take the opportunity to go around London and to look around. And many of my fans who know that Mazes okay is here. If you want to take me out later, I am all yours. So, guys, I'll see you guys later. Okay? So, as you all know, this is once more on Njenje Media TV, and the Njenje Media TV is here live in London. So many of you who are wondering what's happening, the people here in London are basically protesting. So you can all see what's happening is live and it is direct. As always, I want to give them as a surprise that I'm going to be here. And suddenly, Mazes just turned up here. I must say that I had a fantastic. So, Umunembiko, what's happening here today? So first of all, tell us your name, madam.
My name is Video.
Okay, so what's happening here today? Elite Club.
Yeah.
Is that the everyone with yellow cloth is Elite Club? Okay, do you have one for me? I want to join the Elite Club. It's for women. Oh, that's discrimination. Anyway, so what's happening here?
We're here to let the world know what is happening in Nigeria.
Okay.
How the Nigerian government is treating the Igbos.
Okay.
And we're being marginalized in everything. Our people are being killed. It's like their target is to clear off all the young boys in the eastern region of Nigeria, so that our women will be stranded. They won't have anybody to marry. So that's a good one.
That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Wipe off the Igbo race. So we want to make sure that the whole world is aware. So it's we are creating awareness.
Okay. Thank you. So, what's your name, madam? Okay. Wow. So the genocide must stop, you're saying? Okay. Yeah, okay, thank you. So everyone, you have heard that. I've just spoken to a couple of women now, and they're just telling us what is happening. So I'll still be going around, and it's just so early here. Many people are coming out, and I believe before it is noon, what's time now? I think it's after 11 o'clock here in the United Kingdom, Trafalgar Square, London, to be precise. So that means by the time it is noon, hopefully more people would have been out, and we will probably see. And I think they're going to be marching. Join us today. Stay tuned. Glued to your TV at Njenje Media TV. We will be heading to the we're in Trafalgar Square. They want to go to the various embassies. They want to go to the British Parliament. They want to go to the Nigerian House. They want to go submit their protest letters to say happening. It's indeed not good and not palatable with them. People, stay tuned. It's only here at Njenje Media TV that you can see and have this live. So, people, for those of you saying, "Is it only the Igbos in the UK?" No, it's not only the Igbos in the UK. You have other Nigerians as well who have joined. You know, the other Nigerians will be joining later, I think in the afternoon. So it's a collective South. I think it's a collective South. You know, it's a collective South. So, good day, madam. So, who am I speaking to? Hold on.
As simple as Auntie Kate.
Okay. So, many people probably watching would not know who I have the privilege of speaking to. So, would you tell us who you are, please, madam?
Well, I like to say as simple as anything that my name is Auntie Kate.
Okay.
But I know that people might think, what other things have I to add to my name?
Yes.
I don't really like adding anything. I would like to be known as simple as Auntie Kate.
Okay.
Then if you want to know more, please go and read, but not me.
Okay. For many of you who do not know, she's one of those mayors we do have in London anyway. She doesn't want to say, but I can tell you. So why do you, you are a woman that has so much busy schedule. How come you're able to find time to come out and to protest with the people today?
Today is very, very important to me, and even every other day, because I experienced the Civil War in the 60s, and I know why the war was there, and I don't want any more war. I actually want my children to come to Nigeria and feel free, and I don't want to travel with them. I just want to say to them, go and visit your grandma's grave, or go and visit your uncles, your aunties. And I really want them to travel without thinking, oh, mommy, come with me. I want you to chaperone. I want them to go alone and feel free. And that is what it is, security. But unfortunately, it's not happening. There is a lot of bloodshed in Nigeria, especially in the eastern part of Nigeria where I came from. And I think it's very unfortunate. We don't want that. We want one Nigeria, but one Nigeria where everybody is given the opportunity to be equal. We are all equal. God made us and made us equal. And if we have to, if for any reason, want to be supreme, then we have also listen to others and see why do you want to be supreme. I want to be supreme because I'm a human being and I want to know that I am a Nigerian and I belong in equal share with everything that we can think about.
Thank you very much. Once more, I just spoken to, as she wants to be called, Auntie Kate Anolue, right?
Yes.
Auntie Kate Anolue, popularly known as Kate Anolue. If you Google her name, many of you watching live now, you will know more about who I've just spoken to. Thank you once more. It's a pleasure speaking to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, and it's very nice to see you because you do a fantastic work with our Nigerian community and all the communities that I see on social media.
Yes.
Especially having conferences.
Exactly.
You are fantastic.
Thank you very
much.
much.
It's nice to see you live here. So I think for me, it's my lucky day as well.
Thank you very much. You
Yes.
can see we are
So,
here together.
yes.
We are rocking.
Yes, very, very much. Very, very much, and I'm very
Thank
happy.
you.
Thank you
Okay,
so much.
thank you everyone.
Thank you.
You have seen Mazes, okay, now, so we'll still be going round and round and round. We can see what's happening, people. Okay, people are still coming in, clustering in. We will see how it goes. Okay, everyone, we are here. We are not going back. If by any chance Mazes, okay, goes to take some palm wine, you know, you know, I like doing that. If I go to take my palm wine, please make sure you stay tuned because we're going to be here for a very long time. People are just assembling. It's just an early, this is just a test. More things are about to come. I think the police are come here. Hopefully this is not an illegal gathering. So we'll see. Do we have any problem, people?
Very well.
Yeah.
We're just trying to get the logistics with the police guys.
Okay.
How we're going to go and how we're going to come back.
So the police officer is going to be joining us.
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? Just to inform the police officer we are live. We are live on BBC, but we're live on the Media TV. We are all live now. We're heading, the whole world is watching us.
I'm heartbroken.
So who am I speaking to? You're heartbroken.
I'm heartbroken.
Who broke your heart?
Nigerian government.
Oh.
Buhari.
Oh.
Buhari elela our youth.
Oh, Buhari. Man, I'll be around on UK today.
Well, honest, I just here. Come on here.
If you see Buhari, what will you tell him?
Oh, Jesus. Buhari. I'm a Biafran woman.
Okay.
Okay? I'm one out of 11 children. Fortunate enough, I'm the only one here. Buhari made my issue with room by force.
So Buhari gonna
Oh, Buhari alam. Nde toram no mo ale lesa.
Oh.
He said how we live because of your Buhari men.
Okay, Bula.
And we're 8 graduates now long.
Wow.
The same thing applies to all the Igbos. Why? Did it come in? Where did we go wrong? Our hearts are broken. Our youths are being killed. The widows are being killed. Our sisters are being raped. Our mothers are being raped. For what? Okay? Igbos been or not. As we live there, we go there and have our own property and live comfortably. Outside the Fulanis, they come to Igbo land in our bush. Why? Why can't they come out and live like ordinary people? Why are they there just to kidnap and rape and kill our people? Right now, they are the unknown gunmen. Unfortunately, the IPOB, the Igbos have been prescribed being unknown gunmen. We don't destroy, the Igbos don't destroy, we build. Okay? So they come and destroy Igbo land, destroy our properties. And then they target us, Igbos. Average Igbo man or woman are out there to fight for survival. Okay? The worst he can do to build and destroy. It does not happen in Igbo life. We are not happy. They should let us go. The national gate, let them have it all. As long as Igbos not sign, we will survive. Because we've been doing it for all years.
Thank you very much for sharing your views.
Because our heart is broken. We want to want Buhari to let us go. We need to go. We need to leave. We need to go.
Please, where are you going?
We are going to out of Nigeria and it's better for us. Because we are tired. We are tired and nothing is happening.
So, you two, do you want to go? Hello, sister.
Hello.
How are you? Who do I have the privilege of speaking to?
Councillor Nigu.
Councillor. Okay.
Nigu.
You're welcome. So why are you protesting today?
I'm protesting for the lives of the ethnic Igbo community in Nigeria. Sorry, I couldn't get it. Thank you.
Okay, can we see your placard? Yeah.
You want out.
Well, you want out. That's good. Good. Thank you very much. So pardon me, people. You're speaking to Njenje Media Live. So we are now live on various media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and we are also live on Twitch. So can you tell me, who am I speaking to, sir?
My name is Afam Barrister Alex.
Okay.
The leader of Council of Igbo Communities in the UK, and one of the main Igbo leaders organizing this rally today.
So what's the idea behind organizing this?
The idea is to highlight the difficulties, the challenges that we, the Igbos, in the southeast of Nigeria, as well as other regions in Nigeria, are going through in the hands of the current regime we have in Nigeria. The killings, the intimidation, the brutality, all the negative things that is happening. We need to highlight it to the world, and we are expecting that the United Kingdom officers in the United Kingdom will be made aware, officers in Europe will be made aware, officers in the United Nations will be made aware. And our journey today is to go to Nigerian High Commission and hand a letter that we have articulated as much as possible what we are doing, and then also we will be going from here to the House of Parliament, to the United Kingdom Parliament, the mother of all parliaments, to hand over the articulated letter, and finally we'll also go to the residence of the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom and hand over the same petition, and then converge finally in the Trafalgar Square here, and then from here we will be going to the Canadian High Commission and also handing the petition to them.
So since Buhari is here, are you going to be going to the Nigerian house to go and see him as well? He's come for medical treatment again.
We will be more than happy to have a dialogue with him, because we are the Igbos. Our modus operandi is peace. We have no issue with violence. It's not in our DNA. We build, we do not destroy. So if he's happy to see us, we'll be more than happy to see him and explain to him, perhaps, and this is perhaps, the people that are handling him, the people that are working with him, are not actually telling him the difficulties that people on the ground are going through, the checkpoints we have in Igbo land, and in the whole of the Southeast, and the South-South, and the Southwest. So we will welcome a direct one-on-one with him, especially since he's here in London.
Okay, thank you very much. So we'll see how the day pans out.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I add also to what my learned colleague Boris
Yeah.
said? Afambo, Sam Eze, I am a solicitor in this country. I want to address British Prime Minister directly, Boris Johnson.
Yes.
The government of the United Kingdom cannot keep quiet to what is happening in Igbo land. They will not pretend that they don't know what is happening. The slaughtering, the raping, the murder of our youth. The Nigerian soldiers go from home to home to pick the youths up and take them to unknown destinations, castrate them, kill them, and nobody says anything about it. British government cannot pretend that they don't know what is happening, because if they don't do anything about it, the blood of Igbos is in their hand. The blood of Igbos will be dripping in their hand. So that's what I have to say. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you for that. So who are these ones?
We are from Wales.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which group is this one?
Igbo community.
Igbo Community Wales.
Wales.
Okay. That's good.
So that's why we are here.
So that's good. You know how long it took you people to come from Wales to here? How long did it take you to come?
It took us like 4 hours.
Wow.
4 hours, 30 minutes.
So it's going to still take you that same time to go home. That's a dedication.
Yes.
And you're dedicating it because of what?
Because of my people who are being killed unjustly, injustice being meted out to people, especially from the southern Nigeria. In particular now, what is going on in Igbo land, whereby they kept killing, abducting our youth that did nothing, while they left those that go along with AK-47. If I don't have anything to do, I think I need to start to do something. They thought we don't know what they are doing, killing our youths just for no cause. So that's why we're doing, and I'm ready to do more, ready to sacrifice more.
Thank you very
whatever
much.
that's needed.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
I reckon you came with him, right?
No, we're together.
Okay, you are together. That's good. God bless you. Now so. Now Pope. Pope. Hold on. Okay. Pope, stop answering phone. Take picture. What? Him and everyone maybe. Maybe something. Exactly, I'm here. Thank you very much. Okay. I'm all right. seats. Electric home, I did see you. Oh!
Ha bụ debe anyị.
Ọkwa ha bụ dobonu.
Ha bụ debe
Kedu ihe
anyị.
ị ga-agwa ha na-anụ?
Ihe m na-agwa ha bụ na ha ma ife na-eme.
Okay.
Ha emezi n'anya na ntị ka ha mara ife na-eme. Ha ghọlizila anyị, ha pretendizila na ha mara ife na-eme. Uche ha dị ya. Ha ma ife na-eme. Ha mezie ihe ha kwesịrị ime as our colonial master. Ọ bụrụ ha gba ntị egbute anyị, ọ dịrọ mma. Eme nwaanyị ka emeli ibie obi adị ya mma. Ha mara ihe ha na-arụtụ ndị herdsmen. Ha na-eji ha na-eji ekwenyelụ ha. Ha nyetụ anyị, ha emezi na ntị ka ha mara na anyị na-eme ezi.
Ana m na Buhari nọ n'obodo unu. Kedu ihe ị ga-agwa ya?
Ọ bụ ka Buhari nke enwe Buhari 1, nwe Buhari 2. Nke nwụrụ anwụ ka nke dị ndụ.
Oke, nke dị ndụ.
Nke dị ndụ. Mụ na nke dị ndụ enwere okwu maka na o nwere ife a na-eme ọma. Ọ pọpi apịtị a na-apịa ka remote.
And ọ bụghị onye be anyị.
Ọ bụghị onye be anyị, so nwere feeling, ọ mara ọ dị.
Ọ bụghị onye Nigeria.
Ọ dị ka remote.
Buhari ndị a na-eme bụ music ka abụghị onye be anyị.
Maka na eji m aka na ọ bụrụ nke dị ndụ ka ife a na-eme, ọ ga-ekwu okwu na ya. So onye na-akpọrọ m Buhari abụrụ Buhari, amarọ m ya, ọmarọ m. Ọ hapụtụ ya, arụtụ ya ogbuo. Mgbọsị a na-arụtụrụ ya, nọrụkwa nwanyị.
So ihe na-akọwa na this Buhari bụ the Buhari of nrụtụ.
Onye nrụtụ Buhari.
Ka anyị sụọ ya n'oyibo a fake.
Fake.
Clone. Ndị ọcha si na clone. Igbo women movement say, ife na-eme na-emezi na.
Thank you.
Yes.
Enough is enough. Enugu State women. Where are you?
Friends of Lioness.
Wow. Unu ga
They represent the audience. Yeah, my personal club.
Okay.
Friends of the Lioness.
Wow.
Yes. We are against the killing, the injustice, the unlawful killing in Nigeria, especially in our league. We are against it.
Okay.
Yes, we are not in support. So we are calling on this country. Kaha, with a mind.
Okay. So many of you watching us online, I think you can do us a favor by kindly sharing this, inviting others to join this stream. This is once more the protest by various Igbo organizations in the United Kingdom. Mazezoke is here live at the Trafalgar Square. It is, and indeed, a privilege to have flown all the way, having crossed so many seas and rivers, to join my brothers and my sisters here in the land of the British to basically say no to the mass killing of the Igbo youths. Okay, so thank you, Electric Umaba. Thank you. So, Kabundi, Enugu State. Okay. Enugu State, okay, UK and Ireland.
So we're here to support.
People,
Yeah, don't worry.
So Afambo, in fact, you don't need my name, do you?
No, I need your name. Come on. Pupu your mask.
Afambo Lolo Marian Chukwenyem,
Ibia.
President, Enugu State Women Association.
Okay.
So we're here to support the whole Igbo community in UK and Ireland to protest against what's going on in Nigeria, particularly in the southeast of Nigeria. The killing of our youth by security forces, government security forces, abducting our youth and, detaining them and shooting them. They don't necessarily return them. So we're protesting again against the Fulani herdsmen who just simply run rampage in the southeast, go into our farms, rape our women, destroy the farmland and crops, the source of livelihood. I mean, these things cannot go on anymore. There's a lot of bloodshed in the southeast. I don't know if it's ethnic cleansing that's going on, but a lot of killings of Christians, of indigenous, of the Igbo part of Nigeria is going on, and it cannot go on any longer. It's got to stop, and we must all stand together and be counted, and in united voice to say that enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
This is our PRO.
Now, because actually, we want to let Nigeria know. We want to
Enough
let
is enough.
Fulani know that enough is enough.
Thank
Buhari
you.
should leave us alone. Igbo life matters.
Thank you.
And the PRO of Enugu State Women Association.
Okay, so go ahead.
Yes. Just to support what our president said, we have just had enough and it has to stop. You know, our lives cannot be weaker than the lives
So
of the cows.
why so many people say that Igbos like money? They don't, but how come that you left what you're doing and came out today?
Because this is very important to us. You can see that this is important. I have wanted to be here just to say that enough is enough. All those people that have turned, deaf ears to NM, they should now see. And we're going to be camping out here every weekend from now on till everybody listens, till the national communities know what is happening in Nigeria. And we've had enough. And we're calling particularly on the British government. They should stop sleeping and wake up. Okay, they cannot want us when they have so much riches to bring from us. And now we need them. They've turned blind eyes. We have had enough. Okay?
Thank you very much.
Other members of us say,
Yes.
this word, Igbo people like money.
Yes.
We
don't like money more than anybody.
No, who doesn't like money? All the officials in Nigeria, what are they looking for? Our national cake.
Yes.
They're eating it alone.
Yes.
If they don't like money, all the officials should not be Fulanis.
Yes.
It should come from
be
all generations.
Exactly.
So the word Igbo like money.
Okay.
It's just a jealousy word.
Okay. It's fine. Thank you very much. So,
Thank you so much.
thank you. So, what's your name, madam?
My name is Angela Chibo.
Angela Chibo.
Yes, Enugu State.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure meeting you all, ladies. Thank you. Is here Nika? Yeah.
soro ndị Igbo ndị ọzọ gbaa arịrị kpọmkpọ Chineke kpọpụrụ ndị ọzọ ọnụ na ha na-ekwu okwu maka okwukwe na-ekwu ndị Igbo, okwukwe na-ekwu ndị Kraịst, okwukwe na-ekwu ndị ọwụwa anyanwụ, okwukwe na-ekwu ndị Biafra. Ana m asị na ọ ga-adịrị ndị mma. Ana m asị na ọ bụrụ na eme dị mma, ọ ga-aga n'ihu. Ana m asịkwara ndị ọbụla chere na echiche ọjọọ aka si ya gaba ya n'ọrụ. Ndewonu bikonu. Anyị bụ nwanne m nwoke ha mbụ ambasadọ P.E. Nwokorie. Ahụ m onye uwe ojii mana abịara m ebe a ka m soro nọnyere unu iji gosikwa na ana m enwekwa mmasị na ihe na-eme ebe a.
Ndị uwe ojii na Naịjirịa ka ọ n'obodo a. Okay, ịbụ PC, okay. Nwanne m biko, ịma na ha si na akwụkwọ nsọ si na onye na-akọ ugbo na-aga na-akọkwa n'ubi ya. Biko ị nwere ike ịgwatụ m okwu. I know life with Njenje Media TV.
Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ka m gwa gị?
Biko ihe mere iji wee hapụ ọrụ gị si na ịbụ onye uwe ojii, ihe mere iji wee hapụ ọrụ gị wee nọrọ ebe a.
Ihe m ji hapụ ọrụ uwe ojii m wee bịa ebe a bụ na ịgwaghị eziokwu, ogbugbu a na-egbu ndị Igbo, ogbugbu egbughị ndị ọwụwa anyanwụ, ogbugbu egbughị ndị otu Kraịst, ogbugbu egbughị ndị Biafra. Ọ dịghị m obi mma. Ihe awụ mmadụ ibe anyị, ihe awụ ụmụnne anyị, ọwụ ndị nwaanyị na ndị anyị nwe ka a na-egbu ihe a. Ọ bụrụ naanị ya, a na-elekwa ụmụ nwaanyị anyị, ndị nne, ụmụ nwaanyị dị ime na-akwasịghị iko n'ike. Ihe ndị a dịrọ mma. O nwere ọtụtụ ihe ndị emege ndị be anyị na-abụrụ ihe kwesịrị ime mmadụ, ihe bụ ihe ndị ọcha na-akpọ inhuman treatment. Ihe ndị a dịrọ mma. Ọ ya mere anyị ji hapụcha ọrụ ndị anyị na-eme wee bịa ebe a sị ka ndị a nọrọ ebe a taa mara ihe na-eme ebe a. N'eziokwu dịka m si bụrụ onye uwe ojii, ekwesịghị m ịnọ ebe a na ihe a na-eme, mana amarala m na ihe ọwụ ndị m ka egbuga ihe a, ọwụ ndị m ka a na-ekwu okwu ya. Ọ ya mere m jiri nara ikikere n'ụlọ ọrụ m gwa ha na lekwe na ihe ọwụ ndị Igbo, ndị ihe gbasara udo na-adị mma, enweghị ọgụ a bịara. Ka ile anya n'aka anyị ebe ị ga-ahụta ọtụtụ ụmụ nwaanyị ndị machara ma ụmụ agbọghọbịa, ndị nne ha hapụrụ ihe niile ha na-eme wee bịa ebe a. Dịka onye nke a na-ebe ọ nọ ebe a kemgbe elekere 5 nke ụtụtụ. Mgbe m na-agafe ebe a n'isi ụtụtụ, ahụrụ m ya, ụjọ bịara m. nwere onye nke na onye nka ahụ m onye ebe nke ọzọ eche m onye nke ọwa onye ọcha mana mgbe ọ bịara bịa sụwa Igbo ma bịa mara na ọ onye Igbo anyị na-asụcha ihu na ya ọ bụ afọ Igbo anyị so nwanne m nwoke asị m ekele gị udo dịrị gị aha m bụ ambasadọ P. Nwokorie onye ọ ga-adịrị mma
udo dịrị gị biko onye nchekwa ka ị bụ udo dịrị gị isi ike Sorry?
So interesting that every night I sit up 11 o'clock watching you.
Oh, thank you very much. So you are a fan of Njenje Media?
Yes, I am.
So what's your name, Mom?
My name is Julie Nkwado.
Julie?
Julie, I'm from East.
Okay, but I don't think you don't normally make comments when you watch me.
No, I don't.
You should, because I think I know people who make comments.
No, I don't make comments, but I watch you every night.
Okay.
11 o'clock, 11:30, I'm on.
Okay, thank you very much. It's nice to meet.
I'm really very happy and I'm proud of you.
It's nice to meet a fan. Let me break the rule. It's nice to meet a fan. He's one of those that watch me, so I'm just saying, let me. Thank you very much. Oh dear, people, you can see it. We are here to protest. That doesn't mean we are also in the midst of protest, people. We can also showcase that which we can do. Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
Okay, what shall I play? Tell me what to play.
No, don't worry. I will do that later. That's okay. It means nothing to you. Yes, Njenje Media TV. I'll keep related to my comments. Oh, okay, Miss Adam. Then you should be coming to us. Because we are the largest Igbo platform now.
Where are you based?
Based
Do you have a studio?
yes, in Reading. I'm based in
Do me a favor, I want you to just, I want to do an intro.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Igbo niile gwuru n'ụlọ. Igbo niile gwuru n'ụlọ. Afọ ma ndị si Birmingham, ndị si Manchester, ndị si Luton, aja niile gwuru n'ụlọ. Igbo ezugo. Onye Igbo anọghọ n'ebe a, anyị ga-agọ ya osu. Onye Igbo anọghọ n'ebe a tata, anyị ga-agọ ya n'alụ. O mere alụ. Onye Igbo anọghọ n'ebe a tata. Onye Igbo anọghọ n'ebe a tata. Ndị Igbo niile n'ebe a, ha bụ ndị ezigbo Igbo. Ndị niile hapụrụ ọrụ niile ha na-arụ, ndị niile hapụrụ ego nke ụwa, wee bịara ikwu maka akwụkwọ ala Igbo. Ọ ga-adịrị ụlọ niile na-amụwa ise.
Can I have a word with you, sorry? So, good afternoon, Doctor. May I meet you? Who am I speaking to? What put the mask? Because can I follow you?
Okay. Thank you very much, Njenje Media TV, for coming to this very all-important protest. My name is Dr. AlaIgbo, the President of Ohaneze Igbo in the United Kingdom. We are here, a coalition of all Igbo organizations in the United Kingdom, led by Ohaneze Igbo United Kingdom, Congress of Igbo Leaders UK, Council of Igbo Communities UK, and Ogbako Igbo UK, and all other organizations of Igbo extraction. We're going to be also joined by our brothers from Yoruba area, people from the Middle Belt, and people from the South. We are here for a peaceful awareness rally to raise awareness about the killings of Igbos in the Southeast, in the South, and anywhere in the Nigerian Federation. Also, the killing of other ethnic minority people, South, Middle Belt, Yoruba people, by the Fulani, even Southern Kaduna people. Christians are being killed. The Fulani people are taking our land. They are raping people. They are carrying AK-47. They are damaging and killing people. It has to stop and stop now. We need the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Major General Buhari, to call for urgent national conference for a dialogue on the future of Nigeria. We need It has to stop and stop now. That's why we are here. And we're calling on British government, the Prime Minister Boris Johnson. We're calling on the U.S. President Joe Biden. We're calling on all EU and the United Nations, the Commonwealth, not to keep quiet while Nigeria is about to implode. Nigeria is about to explode. And if we implode, the whole of West Africa sub-region and the whole of Africa will be in turmoil. So you need to act now to save Nigeria from disintegration. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One name. What do you have to tell us? Oh, either way, sister. Yeah, okay. Kehi where you going?
The photos of work and
yeah, we go.
Moabo Prince, Nemeka di culture. Anya full of even when you pass on or dine on an almost in Ketatabu, Makaifan and Anyuabu Nigu. I deliver Tata, Ecosi, Ecowa, Ibeka or Hanese, where Malo, they can dine on a befa for United Kingdom. Kapabatala also, and Yamaka, Kapafu Ifan and Men, Nigu. And they make it die, make it, Nivi, I shall wine. Dina Munya, Mamo Dina Munya, Fasi, Kapabasa, Adio, Aquaseria is because somebody can walk and chop and even can wine and me and all sorry, can wine and chop even can walk and me and all sorry as a Kabasa, a Manenia or more pleas you, Wesakabasa, Yamelai to Abia Bano was in Katata, I one Dora, I will one in, I told Molo wine, but only see a lie now, Muhammad Buhari. Achọrọ ka ụdịrị ife dị etu anwa dị ihe ọzọ ya emezi ugbo ịkpọbata ndị ga-abịa ndị Fulani adarụzi anyị na-egbusisi anyị enwerọzi ife fọziri n'ala Igbo dịka oge awa ndị egburegbu erika ya bụ ife na-ewu anyị iwe anyị ji wee nọdụ ebe a n'ụbọchị nke taa ka anya bụ ife wee kwụsị daalụ rinne.
Ah, okay. Okay. So, no, Kedafagi, what's your name?
Kenneth.
Okay.
Obi.
Okay. Gịnị ka iji wee bịa pụta ebe a na-eme taa? Gịnị ka iji wee bịa join ihe a na-eme taa?
Ihe m jiri bịa ebe a taa maka na obodo anyị onye ụlọ ya na-agba ọka na ha achọ oke. Ọtụtụ ụmụnne anyị nọ n'ụlọ, ndị mama anyị, ndị ụmụnne anyị ndị nwaanyị, a na-erepụ ha, na-egbusi ha, ụmụ nwoke niile, ụmụ okorobịa. Ọ kacha njọ, ọ dị worst n'ala Igbo na part of Imo steeti. N'Imo steeti, ọ ebe a ka ọ kacha njọ mana ọ zuru ala Igbo niile ọnụ, zụọ Nigeria niile ọnụ. Onye a na-egbu ọ nwere right esi biko gịnị ka m mere enweghị ndị a mere enweghị ụmụ Igbo mere a na-egbu ha ọ dị very bad odogburu onwe ya na njọ na history na-eripit onwe ya since 1967 ruo ugbu a ihe niile a lụrụ n'ọgụ over 3 million Igbos egburu ọkwa dị something ka Buhari na repeat again. Biko ni Buhari, enough is enough. Biko, see ya, stop for genocide. Stop for genocide. Enough is enough.
Thank you very much.
As I'm talking to you, my junior brother, Sri Canada, a kidnap boy.
When was that?
Just about a month ago. How to leave you? Come on, I work in Ghana. We raised 20 million naira. And you will release my junior brother. And don't go to Buhari. People go Haram.
They kidnap me.
They kidnap me in Java.
A village.
A village. Everything organized. What I go, and I have traveled by all means. I had to kidnap me. I raised it. All the years that one I can hear. Yeah.
So sad.
Yes.
So sad.
But I'm the whatever I say. Enough is enough. No one knows that here. They didn't get it. Because they want.
Thank you very much.
Thank
want a referendum. Call of referendum is not a call of war. Buhari, stop killing our people. Stop killing the southern east of Nigeria, the people of southern east of Nigeria. Buhari, you stop killing our people back home. We all are one. That's all we are saying. All we are saying. Give us freedom, referendum. Freedom, referendum.
For those of you saying and asking if this is live, yes, this is live. Once more, this is Mazezoke live at Trafalgar Square in the United Kingdom. I can see your comment. This is live. People are protesting against the injustice, the killings, the rapes happening back home in Nigeria. Mazezoke just came in just to cover this. That is called dedication to duty. Now, for some of you watching on YouTube, if you want to support what we are doing, please, you can kindly use the super chats, or you can use the PayPal that is on the lower banner. Again, we are live here, direct in the United Kingdom. This is Njenje Media TV in the United Kingdom, Trafalgar Square. As I learned, this is being put together by Igbo United Kingdom and other many Igbo organizations, including Council of Igbo Leaders in the United Kingdom. As it is, they will be going towards the Nigerian embassy, which is, if you look right straight, where you see those buses, that's where the Nigerian house is. And they will be going to, after Nigerian house or Nigerian embassy, they will be headed to the Canadian embassy, the British Parliament, to submit a letter to the Prime Minister of the Great Britain, aka United Kingdom, after which they will be going to the Canadian as well, and other European embassies to register their disgust regarding what is happening. So people, everyone saying this, if this is live, yes, this is live. And I thank everyone watching us live now. You can see that this is live What is the time exactly in the United Kingdom right now? The time, I don't even have my wristwatch on, but it doesn't matter. So again, once more, for many of you doubting, this is live. And once more, you are still onto Njenje Media TV. This is Njenje Media TV live and direct in the United Kingdom. We are global. I can see the comments of many of you saying, oh, that the CNN is not there, Al Jazeera is not there. People, wake up. We must create our own. We must tell our own story. If they do not want to tell our own story, we have every right to tell our own story. That's why Njenje Media is there. Njenje Media is bridging the gap. When the world doesn't want to tell the stories, Njenje Media is there to tell our stories, undiluted, not propaganda, but the absolute truth, verifiable truth. So you can see many people, Igbos and non-Igbos as well. I must note this. The Yoruba nation, I think I've been informed that's going to be joining them later, the Middle Belt as well. So you can see that this is not only about Ndibo. This is a global movement. So if you're joining us now, this is the live protest in London. Please, 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 try as much as possible to share this stream. Share it so that every other person will join us. If you can support us through the super chat, we kindly appreciate that now. You can see the women, Enugu women are protesting. You still have the Igbo women worldwide as well. And they say elite golden ladies, they are also protesting. So Maz says, okay, once more, I'll be going around to get the views of the protesters. Thank you once more for joining us.
When do we want this? Stop the genocide. When do we want this? Stop the killing. When do we want this? Stop the rape. When do we want it? Stop the unlawful killing. When do we want it? Stop the injustice. When do we want it? British, stop killing. When do we want it? British, stop welcoming Buhari.
So I think some of you are still doubting if this is live. It's really, I don't want to say it's silly, but you can see something that says live. It's still live, you're watching it live, and you're still doubting it. Today is the 25th of June, Friday, the 25th of June, 2021. And the time now in the United Kingdom is 12:14. That means 14 minutes past noon, past the hour of 12. 14 minutes past the hour. We land, and the people have said that Buhari is in the United Kingdom or is on his way to the United Kingdom. People have said that after their protest, they are likely to be heading to the Nigerian house, aka the Abuja house, where they would understand and ask questions regarding if Buhari is going to give them and grant them audience. So people, again, if you're joining us, wherever you're joining us from, all over the world, once more, this is Mazes and this is Njenje Media Live. If you wish, please kindly support what we do, support the channel. You can use the super chat. We would appreciate that. Now, the game is about to start. The game is about to start. Okay, you can see that now. This is it, people. If you're missing this moment, this is a historical moment. If you're missing it, you're missing something. Indeed. So now, as it is now, the procession is about to kickstart. And you can see clearly it is written there, stop the genocide in Nigeria. Now, many of you have issues that this is, because this is an inclusive thing. It is not only Igbos that are being killed. Many people are being killed. So it is a collective. When people talk, they talk about collectiveness. It is a collective effort for people to basically say that whatever that is happening, they have had enough. And for the first time, you can see these are men, timber and calibers. These are men who have left whatever they are doing is to show you that they are not kidding. They're not playing. You know, these men are not playing. They're just here to, again, do what they're doing.
I need to do that. I need to do that on your own. We are together here. No separate meeting. No separate meeting. No one will go here. People, on your left. On your left. You know, madam, no piano here. You will burn.
Yo! So once more, that's the President Ohaneze Ndigbo, United Kingdom, trying to address a peaceful protest now. They are going to start. The procession is very likely to start. So he's going to be addressing the people now, right?
We're going to do the housekeeping. We will do the housekeeping
Do I need one?
first. So everyone, please.
Give me one there, but I'm not security. Maybe can be McNabb.
So all the marshals here, please. All the marshals. If you have high visibility clothes, put that on. Big clothes. Put that.
Okay.
Okay. Nigu, we are welcoming everybody to this peaceful rally organized by a coalition of all the Igbo people in the UK, all the Igbo people, Igbo community, not the UK. Kpọkọtara ndị Igbo niile ka abịa taa ka anyị gwa ndị ụwa ka esi ebu ndị be anyị. So you're all very welcome. One, we're gonna have marshals, people in high visibility clothing. They're gonna guide us how we're gonna do. When we leave here, we will, before we leave, 2 or 3 people will go and deliver a letter at the Canadian High Commission. That should be happening shortly. And then after that, there will be a procession to the right side to the Nigerian High Commission. When we get there, there will be a letter, an address there that will be delivered by Mazogo Kone, the leader of the Congress of Igbo Leaders. And from there, we will see other people can talk there on the genocide happening in our country to stop the killing. After that, we will march to number 10, Richmond Terrace. That's where we're going to stay. From there, there will be an address that will be delivered by myself, the President of Ohaneze Ndigbo, UK, and we deliver a protest letter to number 10. After that, we will stay in Richmond Terrace and continue to sing and, create awareness and
another delegation will go to the parliament and deliver another address there and the letter by Barrister Coker of the CIC. Dr. Njenje, Obako, leader, will go with another team to deliver a letter and a speech at the Canadian High Commission. People, we need this to be peaceful, it's a peaceful protest. We are all very responsible people. They will hear us more when we are peaceful. We are delivering a groundbreaking message of all sorts. One, to stop killing Igbo people in Nigeria, in the southeast, anywhere in Nigeria. Don't touch an Igbo man. Our life, Igbo lives matter. That's why we are here. We need freedom. We need to stop, killing our people, raping our women. Fulani people must be stopped. All sorts of things and damages that cause to Igbo people. We want in one voice to say it has to stop. We are calling the UK government, the Prime Minister Boris Johnson, to ask questions and intervene. The US President Joe Biden, he needs to intervene in Nigeria. All the European countries, they need to intervene now. We want African Union to intervene now in Nigeria because we are about to disintegrate the Commonwealth. That is the message we are passing out. We are peaceful people. We are very responsible people. And all we are saying that enough is enough. We are saying enough is enough. Stop killing Igbo people in Nigeria. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. It has to stop now. 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 Stop killing Igbo. Our lives, Igbo lives matter. Igbo lives matter. We need freedom in Nigeria. We need freedom in Nigeria. Yes, so the Igbo nation. Okay, the military should stop killing us. The police should stop killing Igbo people in Igbo land. They should stop raping our women. Okay? Boko Haram, police, army, everybody. Fulani, everybody. Leave Igbo people alone. Leave Igbo people alone. Thank you.
Mazi Ojolibo, sorry. Mazi Ibem. Take him. Because sorry. That's in Nnukwu mmanwụ bata obodo awala ọsọ. Nnukwu mmanwụ bata obodo awala ọsọ. Asịkwa na ijere na mmanwụ ọzọ ara agbakọkwa n'ọgbọ. Njenje media bụ ijele. Ọ bata. Onye ọzọ bụ blọga gba ọsọ. CNN bata. Okay, Njenje media bata onye ọbụla awala ọsọ. We tell our story.
Today is the 25th of June. We're at Trafalgar Square. The people who are the organizers of this occasion. His name is Mazi Obi. Why the Igbo communities in the United States stop the genocide in Nigeria. Mazi Obioko, could you please give us why, or tell us why all the Igbo communities have come out to Trafalgar Square, the heart of London, saying stop the genocide that is going on in
Well, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are here today to lend our voice to the millions of Nigerians that are yearning for freedom, for development, and for advancement. The Igbo nation, the Southeast in general, we are gathered here today in general to speak with one voice to stop the killing in our land, to stop the waste of lives that is going on. We do not want to Ruga in our land. No inch of our territory will be ceded to any other person. We are the indigenous people of the Southeast of Igbo land, and we want to say it loud and clear. No more genocide in our land. We do not stand for violence. We are a peaceful people. All we are asking for is one, that the 1999 Constitution must be reviewed. We are asking for a genuine national conference. We are asking for the killings in Igbo land to stop and cease from today. We are requesting that all our young men and women who have been illegally detained and incarcerated in different prisons in Nigeria should be immediately released. We are asking for a dialogue between the leadership of Nigeria and the indigenous people of Biafra and the entire Southeast. We are asking that all the nationalities within Nigeria should sit down. Self-determination is not a declaration for war. Self-determination is a request to speak with one another, to dialogue with one another, and understand the problems and the predicaments that face Nigeria and how we can resolve this problem. If separation becomes the general opinion of the people, we will then go that way. And if any other means is available to us that will justify and will safeguard the interest and the lives of everybody in Nigeria and give us the opportunity to work together, then that option should be equally looked at. But what we are saying is that no more killing in Igbo land. We need the right of self-determination to be respected. We want divergent opinions to be accepted in Nigeria. We do not want a situation where every other divergent opinion is met with brutal force, arrest, incarceration, and extrajudicial killing. These things must stop. Every Igbo life matters. Every Southeastern life matters. And we are saying no to continued genocide and ethnic cleansing within our nation. Thank you.
Mazo Jolly Bozi, Ndewo, Bibuka, Naleto, Naleto, Delay.
God bless you.
So people, you have seen it once more. This is Mazi Zoke speaking live from the United Kingdom. This is Mazi Zoke speaking once more from the United Kingdom. This is Trafalgar Square. Today is the 25th of June 2021, and the time now is exactly 12:30 in the afternoon. Therefore, the protest is about to kick off. People have assembled and more people are joining. One thing we have to know is that the people here, I can see that the people are in high spirit. They are saying one thing, I'm very clear, that the killing of their siblings back in Nigeria must stop, and that it must stop now. They are going to go to the Nigerian house, Nigerian embassy. From the Nigerian embassy, they will be proceeding to the British Parliament. From there, they will be going to the Canadian embassy, maybe the US embassy and other European embassies. So you can see that the people are not smiling. Again, many of you watching us wherever you're watching us from, I can say, please try, and the only thing we can ask of you, very simple, share this stream, like this video, give us that like. You just take a button, click it. We are here spending resources, bringing this to you. The easiest thing you can do is basically like this video, share it, and at the same time, if you can support our channel, please kindly do. But the minimum you can do is to subscribe to this platform. We are the next CNN. People are commenting saying, oh, where is CNN? Where is Al Jazeera? Why would you ask where CNN and Jazeera is when Njenje Media is there? Njenje Media has taken over this space. Wherever it happens, whenever it concerns the rights of the minorities and the rights of the oppressed in Nigeria, be rest assured that Njenje Media has become the mouthpiece of those who are dissatisfied with anything that is evil in Nigeria and Africa at large. Thank you once more for joining us. This is Trafalgar Square, 25th of June 2021. It's now getting to 1 o'clock. Again, do not doubt it. This is live and this is live. Hello. How are you?
I didn't want to disturb you.
ITV CNN but who more than America? Just more than America. The whole country to all the place. Give him a Give him a why are we being treated like this? What is our crime treated? That is why we are here today. What is our crime? Why can't you please come to our aid? Our people are dying. In numbers. Every day they are killing us. And nobody is showing any concern. BBC cannot televise it. CNN cannot say anything about it. But there's a house collapse in Miami. And it has been on the news for the past 2 days.
Breaking news.
Innocent people are being killed every day. In numbers. Please, we are here to ask you, if we have offended in any way, forgive us. You must speak. You must speak. So please, they must hear our voice. It's better that they kill all of us here, so that the world will know that they killed us here. That is why we're here. They must hear us. British, our Prime Minister Boris Johnson, what will we do? Why can't you say something about this innocent killing? Human rights have been violated so much and nobody's saying anything about it. Why is it like that? Can it happen in prison? You offered Scotland referendum. What is our cry? Why can't we get it? Are we not the same human beings? Please, we are pleading. We are actually working cops here. We are not happy. We can't even go to our homes anymore. The Fulanis, they have taken our land. We can't find what we eat anymore. Our fathers, our mothers, our daughters cannot go to the farm anymore. Do they want to go with the starving strategy again? Do they want to starve us to death? That is why we are here. Please, please. every part of Nigeria, in every region, they are developing, they are building industries, they are building homes, houses, they are trading, engaging in commerce and economics. They are doing everything for the betterment of Nigeria. What has the Igbo, what has
Why
the
is it that
people
everybody
done
that
wrong?
you want to
Huh?
Have you offended anyone? The Igbo people, have they offended anyone? The Igbo people shall live forever. The Igbo people shall stay in mentally. If you don't want them to stay, let them have their own sovereignty.
So people, we are still going to be online, and we are online. We are still covering the events happening. However, as it is now, I will just say, can you kindly offer me 2 minutes of your time? Stay online, please. Do not log off. I just need to. We need to change power. We need to change power. Just stay. Thank you. So, like I said before, people. So they're going to. I think they've gone. Some of the officials have gone to the Canadian embassy already, but they're headed to the Nigerian High Commission now. They're going to register their disgust. They're going to register their anger with the Nigerian High Commission in the United Kingdom. So people, and you can see this is what we call peaceful protest. You can see the police officer there. See, the police officers are here to maintain order. You see, nothing. It's not like in Nigeria where the police officer will be shooting tear gas, arresting people, like they do in Lekki, like they do in Aba, like they do in Onitsha, like they do even in Abuja, be it in Sokoto, Adamawa. One thing is that we must become to be a civilized people as things are done normal. You can see there behind them, you still see another police officer. They have about 6 police officers. Sorry, people, we had a any one of you calling me, please stop it. I don't know why some of you can be so silly. If you're calling me right now, obviously you know this is live. You cannot be calling Njenje Media now. Please stop. Okay? So you guys are looking at it. They're heading to Nigerian embassy. And you can see police officers. Blacks, white, Asians. They're all. So here, let's keep quiet and look what's going to happen. So you see two police officers here, one is above, and have about other 4 police officers at the back. So here, we're going to get a very good angle of everybody. I know. So, you see, these are still the police officers watching peacefully, and you can see police van over there. That's how things are done. That's how civilized people behave. Here, you can also see 2 police officers watching on the bus lane. That's how civilized people behave, people, right? The .com nation. On your dot. Chop knuckle, man.
We are
The dot nation.
the president of the country.
The dot nation.
We have the president of the Northeast and South.
Unapologetically.
Not the president of
Unapologetically dotted.
He called us the North Nation. Anywhere you go, you don't see the North Nation.
You go, run.
The North Nation, we are everywhere.
Yes, so.
You cannot stop us. If you don't want us, let us go. Let my people go.
Thank you.
Harry, let my people go.
So many of you who are joining us, you can see once more, please share this video. Share this video. If you can support the channel, you can use the super sticker, you can use the super chat. You can support what we do. Again, we'll be live now, getting to 2 hours. So it means that things are really, again, these are police officers, you can see them, right? Peaceful protest. This has never happened on a Friday. To see Igbo come out in this number, to see Nigerians come out, to see the Middle Belt, the Yorubas join them in their protest. This is what we call solidarity protest. So for those of you saying what is going on, you can read it there. It's clearly written. Igbos, Nigerians in the United Kingdom are protesting against killings in the southern Nigeria, in the middle belt, in the southeast. They are saying that enough is enough. They are protesting. This is a peaceful protest. And you can see police officers guiding what they are doing. They are heading to the Nigerian embassy. See, let's go. So let me go first to the Nigerian embassy where they are coming to. I will go there and wait for them. So for some of you joining us now, this is what is happening. This is Mazezoke once more. For this purpose, Mazezoke is here. Wherever anything is happening that is of newsworthy, know ye that Njenje Media TV will be there. And here is Njenje Media TV. Njenje Media TV. So this is the Nigerian house, the Nigerian embassy. This is where they are coming to. So this is their final destination. So I'm here, and you can see the Nigerian embassy is telling you export solid minerals, and they draw it. They want to export solid minerals, but they cannot give you passport when you need it. Okay, Nigerian embassy. This is it, and you can see the advertisement here. People, the protest is ongoing. The least you can do for us now is to share this stream. This is live and direct. This is Njenje Media TV live here in the city of London. This is the city of London. Trafalgar Square, they've left there and they are headed to this place. So please share this, share. Share it to multiple people. This should be, many of us will keep saying CNN is not covering, Al Jazeera is not covering, but here is Njenje Media covering it. Yet we can't support even by liking the stream or even subscribing and at the same time sharing with others. That is the way you support your own. You like it, you share it, at the same time, you do whatever you can to support the good work we do. Once more, this is live on Njenje Media TV. I can see some of your comments. Many of you are watching from Italy, from Dakar, from Ghana, from UAE, from Spain. Even some people are watching from the United Kingdom as well. I can see that by your comments. And the police are already here. Very peaceful. See the police vans. You can see 1, 2 police vans. They are here to ensure that we have order, life, and direct. So this is a very peaceful protest, and the police are here. You can see people, everyone is peaceful. There you can see a policeman also going by their side. You see more police officers. You see? So here it's very peaceful. You can see the police officer giving them what to do. Very peaceful. Very peaceful. You see that? These are officers. Officers, well done. So they are trying to protect the Nigerian house. But they know that the Igbos and the Nigerians are peaceful people. They do not engage in destructions. They do not engage in vandalism. It's only done by the government and those who loot our funds, the lootocrats. And this is it, people. The hour that you have been waiting for is here. They have arrived at the Nigerian house. They have arrived at the Nigerian house. And at this moment in time, this is So you can see that the crowd is unprecedented. Unprecedented crowd here. Igbo life matters.
Igbo life matters. Igbo life matters. Sakina
You can see the police officers are now, they've just changed shift. They have two police officers now watching the gate.
All the Igbos in the United Kingdom are united in this peaceful protest to say enough is enough. We are here to say it loud and clear to the international community and Nigerian government that enough is enough killing the Igbos. Enough is enough. We have a message to deliver to the Nigerian High Commissioner to pass on to President Buhari. I will talk on Wednesday, the coordinator of Congress of Igbo leaders, to make a speech. We have hoped that someone will come out of the High Commission to address us. But however, we will deliver a message and we can put the letter to them. Okay? So, we are hoping somebody will come.
Speak to us. Unless they want us to sleep here.
Yeah, we need to know the help.
We are taxpayers.
No, China.
South Africa,
If you or a loved one is fighting against uncontrolled belly fat, this just
Okay, Casey, you're gonna please. Enough is enough! Enough is enough! Stop killing the Igbos! Enough is enough! Stop killing the Igbos! The Igbos deserve to live! So people, for many of you who are just joining us, once more, this is Njenje Media TV, right and live and direct here in the city of London, in the United Kingdom. This is a protest by the southern Nigerians, the Igbo, the Ndibo of Nigeria. They are basically protesting the killings in the east, in the whole of Nigeria, and they are saying that enough is enough. So many of you who are watching, please kindly share this stream. Share with your friends on Facebook, on YouTube, or if you're joining us on Twitter, please share. That's the least we expect of you. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. If you can support the work we do through the super chat, you can do so as well. That will be much appreciated. Again, we are coming to you live and direct. The time now is 13:14. That is 14 minutes after 1 in the afternoon here in the United Kingdom. It tells you that when the people want to be active, they can. These are professionals. You have lawyers like the President of Ndibo, United Kingdom, Dr. Nana Igwe, a citizen of Ebonyi State. He is a medical doctor. You can see there are so many barristers, there are so many lawyers. We have IT, we have project managers, we have nurses. So these are real people who, before now, I spoke to 3 mayors. I've forgotten the name of the other one, but Kate, one of the mayors in the United Kingdom, she's also here. So it's to tell you that this is not 3 for 20 Kobo people. No, these are men and women of caliber who are here demanding that their rights be granted to them. They lack the right of staying alive. They're actually not asking for too much. They're just saying, do not kill us. Do not kill us. That's not too much to ask for. So please share this stream if you may. At the same time, if you also can, support us in what we do. So let's go back to the And once more, mercy here. I've been reading comments. I can see that some of you are already fighting as usual in the comment section. This is not a time to fight. This is a time to come together against one common enemy, bad governance and maltreatment. Let us demand that we are free from misgovernance. That is not too much to ask for, people. So please go ahead and support what we are doing here.
Over the last year, many of our customers have shown amazing resilience. Like creators, they started selling products online and then developed their own brand of bearding. When all our customers find themselves in these situations, we're here to provide guidance and support. Merry Christmas. Have a simple Christmas.
Cha, Igbo mmanụ. Igbo kwezuonu. Biko ka nsị ndị oyibo maka ndị anyị nọ n'obodo ha ka ha wee nwe ha njizi ebe a. British ladies and gentlemen, lend me your ears. I have not come here to praise Nigeria, but to tell Nigeria the truth. Nigeria is a country that has refused to respect human rights. Every day in Nigeria, extrajudicial killings are happening. Colonization is happening right under our noses. There is nobody that is free in Nigeria. Our children are dying, our women are dying. And we cannot close these things over with nice speeches every day and pretense. We speak to the British community. You amalgamated Nigeria in 1914. And we are saying after 100 years that the amalgamation is no longer holding. We have 200 million people in Nigeria. Over 250 languages. You amalgamated us in 1914. On a daily basis, Nigeria is retrogressing. We have not advanced beyond anything. We are each day going backwards. Look at all the men and women here today. They have come to your land, not because we don't have a land, not because we don't have a land flowing with milk and honey. We want to go back to our own land. But you amalgamated us with the Fulani, the Hausas that have no love for any humanity. Our women have come here today to say that enough is enough. Our men have come here today to say enough is enough. Our children have come here to say enough is enough. You can see today that we are opposite the Nigerian embassy. The cowards they are. They have refused to come out and accept our letter. But we are not daunted. We are not afraid. We are not scared. Because the truth will set everybody free. And the truth, great pretend, is that the Igbos of the southeast Nigeria, we want to go. We are tired of being called Nigerians. We are tired of belonging to a nation that does not respect human rights. We are tired of a nation that is embedded with corruption, nepotism, and tribalism. We are tired of belonging to a nation that her citizens are despised everywhere they go in the world. We want a nation where freedom, justice, and unity.
Nepa.
We want a nation. We want a nation. We want a nation where freedom, justice, and equity will reign. We demand that our women and our children should stop being killed in Igbo land. We demand that the federal government withdraw her troops from our territory. We demand that the Fulani people should stop rearing cows within our land, raping our women and killing our children. We demand that Britain pressurize Nigeria to have a referendum in the southeastern of Nigeria so that we can decide if we want to be Nigerians or not. It is our fundamental human right guaranteed under the United Nations that we should be free as human beings to have the freedom of association, the freedom of religion, the freedom of speech, and the freedom to a sustainable existence and life. Igbos of Nigeria, we are over 80 million people, very entrepreneurial people. We can be the best nation in Africa. We have all it takes to build a nation in Africa. And many Africans will stop coming to United Kingdom because they will have somewhere in Africa to go to. We have the highest number of medical doctors, the highest number of nurses, the highest number of IT consultants, the highest number of police officers, the highest number of military, African military in the American government. We demand a nation where we can be free to raise our children. And they will be proud anywhere they go in the world to say, yes, alas, Great Britain. Here is an Igbo man that is proud to be Igbo. Here is an Igbo man that is not shy to be Igbo. Here is an Igbo man that can show the world that Africans, and in particular the black race, can excel beyond reasonable doubt. All of us here, we have all doctors, medical doctors, nurses, IT consultants. We have done well in Britain. So it is not in doubt what we can do. But Nigeria is holding us to ransom. The Hausas are holding us to ransom. The Fulanis are holding us to ransom. They have refused to allow us to progress. We want a free nation where everybody can come and feel free. Great Britain, hear my voice today. Hear the voice of 80 million Igbos in Nigeria. We say, enough.
We are streaming live, so it's on our Njenje Media, Njenje. Yes. So where next now?
We're going to
Downing Street to see Boris Johnson. Boris Johnson, we are coming. So people, if you're joining us, this is still live and this is still Maazes, okay? In Njenje Media TV, this is United Kingdom live. The people, as you can see, have gone to the Nigerian High Commission to register their anger and their disgust in the killings of lives happening in Nigeria, especially the military invasion of Imo State. Having done that now, the people are headed to number 10 Downing Street to see the British Prime Minister at number 10 Downing Street to hand him a letter of protest to say they have to do what they have to do as well. So people, those of you joining us, if you may, kindly subscribe to this platform. If you may, and if you can, if you want to support what we do, you can use the super chat and super sticker, or you can use the PayPal account that is afroman007 at yahoo.de. If you do that, we would appreciate you. At the same time, you can see how civil things are. You can see many people in front. You see some people here, and you can see police van. This is one thing we've been calling for. Police van, police truck to follow protesters. No one is being hit. No one is being shot. No tear gas. Is it because these things are registered? It feels like you want to cry. Look at how British police, these are all foreigners who come in this country, but look at how the British police are coming to protect because they have a right. All of them have cameras on them. See, they all have cameras. Unbelievable. But this can never happen in your own country. You can see how many police trucks, police vans, 1, 2, 3. And you can see the police coming into their vans. You know, because they know this is human right. The people have a fundamental right of protest. And that is obviously what is happening. The people are protesting. Yes, that is called peaceful protest. When people protest in Lagos, that is what we expect. The police to come peacefully. Do not hit anyone. Look at all the police. Pay attention. Pay attention in their waist. None of the police officer has a gun. None. None of them. Because there was no need. Look, the other one has no gun. Look at this one now. This is one of their senior officers. Look at him. He has tear gas. See, there is no gun as well. You see that? There is nothing. I can keep showing you. Hours we are drilling gold. Okay, look at this one now. So these ones here in front, these things are not gone. These are buttons. And these are walkie-talkies. See? No gun. Look at the other one over there. He has no gun as well. This is what civility does, people. We need to move ahead. The world has left us behind, people. The world has left us behind. We are still asleep. We are still asleep, yes. Yes, we are still asleep, people. Again, like I said, if you're joining us, if you're joining this stream now, please, as much as you can, share this live stream. Share this live stream, like the video, invite others to join us. Once more, this is still happening live in London. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay.
They're coming left, so.
Well done, sirs. Once more, I keep hammering on the peaceful protest and how the police are here protecting the people. You can see all the officers here. None of the officers, I must emphasize, here are basically taking care that the traffic, human traffic, moves so smoothly. Officer, well done. Thank you. Well done. So you can see these are British police officers, and because they behave like human, no one is being hurt. You see, you have your right to protest. Can you do the same in your state? Can you do the same in Lekki without being shot? Again, you couldn't, maybe. You couldn't, maybe. So, people, you can say this is awesome. This is
The mega rally is going along Whitehall.
Yeah.
On the right is Whitehall.
Yeah.
Approaching number 10 Downing Street.
Yeah.
The people are going to table their woes to the British government, Boris Johnson.
Yes.
The Igbos are saying, stop
The
killing.
killing.
Stop the killing. Stop the genocide. Stop the rape. Stop killing young people who have done absolutely nothing. If Nigeria doesn't want to merge with the Igbos, let them go. This is a false marriage. Everybody has a democratic right to choose.
Thank you. Thank you. So they're headed now to Whitehall. So they're headed to Whitehall now. So, really been walking a long time now. Yeah. Are you streaming or are you recording? I'm just recording. Oh, okay. So you can see everyone is looking. The British are all mesmerized. How come this number of people on a Friday, on a working day, in a time of Corona, they are able to come out? Now we are going to be seeing even the press. Well, the press are just coming now. You see, whenever you come to the Whitehall, you see the press section. I said these are our colleagues who've been here. Are we going in there?
Yeah, they stay here in the pen. Yeah, and it's all yours.
Okay.
And then, if you want, and then
Yeah.
we select people that will go with the leader. But everybody come in.
But I'm going to go. So all of you go in here. So you can see everyone, even the pensioners are all out. Put it out. Put it in front. Huh? It's more eligible when you put it exactly. Yeah. That's what civility does to a people. You see how organized and civil the protest is. So you have the British press on the other side, but the media is here live and direct. Today is the 25th of June 2021, and the people are here in the United Kingdom, London to be precise, in Whitehall. The hour now is 13:46, and this is happening live. The southern Nigeria, the Igbo nation, everyone has just come out to say enough is enough. Enough of the killing, enough of the raping, the maiming, enough of all the injustices done to a people. They are saying they have a voice. Let the world hear their cry. You see? Let them go in. So when the time comes, I believe, biko ịma na oyibo anaghị adị onye ọbụla mma n'ọnụ. Arịwọdọ. Biko ya sụba nke eke ya mma mmadụ atabi ile. Etu a ka ọ dị. Now. So when you turn around, you can see You know, people watching, you can see in front, we can see the residence of
we are here
when
this
you hear the
afternoon
parliament. That's where that is.
in front of the residency and official office of the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom.
Sopo.
Yaka. The political iron hand that runs the United Kingdom. The only man that we call the Boris.
Bojo.
We are here to speak to Bojo the Boris. We are here to ask him. Do us a favor. Maybe he doesn't understand what is Igbo. Mr. Boris, Igbo is the people of Igbo in Igbo land in Nigeria. In a country called Nigeria. It's a country called Nigeria. And we are here to send a message to you, to the man that is ruling that country called Nigeria. Because he's not governing the country, he's ruling the country. We are here to say, Mr. Prime Minister, with due honor and respect, and as fellow citizens of this United Kingdom, we are asking you, can you, in the office and authority, call the President of the Republic of Nigeria? His name is Mr. Buhari Mohammed.
The Dutch nation.
Call him, because he's already in this country, you know that. He's here. It doesn't take you more than 2 seconds to press the button on your phone.
The Dutch nation.
And ask him, and speak to him, and say what is happening to the people of Igbo land.
So you are Igbo. Is he pidgin?
Your people are right here in my office. We are here asking and complaining. Mr. Prime Minister, we are saying,
I didn't know he was going to send me.
call the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That enough is enough. Igbo in the diaspora, Igbo in the UK, who say, we do not want him to kill.
Yes, for those of you who are asking if they do have a letter, yes, they do have a letter, and the letter is going to be, I'm going to accompany them whenever they want to go drop the letter. That I can assure you.
He said, if you push me back to the wall and push me to the wall, I will retaliate. If they continue to push us to the wall, we have no choice but to
So like I said before, people, you can see the police van. You can see one here. You see the second one and the third one. And the police are still coming. Again, this is a peaceful protest, but the reason why the police are coming is basically to make sure that everything goes as planned. This is not like in your own place. Watch again, pay attention, none of these police officers are gone. It's because it's a peaceful protest and things are going the way they ought to. But comparatively, can you compare that to yours, where if it is to be in your own country, they will all come out with AK-47 and invariably smacking and hitting everyone. But here, nothing of such is happening. It's a peaceful. And you can see the press. Again, I've already spoken to two BBC staffs here. So when the word says that they are not paying attention, no. We have BBC Pidgin here. We have BBC Igbo here. I have spoken to them. And this is what we are talking about. So BBC is here for sure. Okay? So we are doing enough. Njenje Media is here. Your own BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera combined, jammed together. All we want you to do is to show us some love. Love. Share this stream, like it, support us if you can, because we are here for all of us. Because an injustice done to one is an injustice done to every one of us. Whenever someone is killed, it doesn't matter if that individual dies in Zamfara. It doesn't matter if that individual dies in Benue or Ebonyi or Owerri or Oyo. It doesn't matter. We are all humans. When any of us is killed, there is one thing that's going to come out. It's blood. And that blood runs on all of us. It doesn't matter. We need and we have no reason to hate one another. We have more than enough to go around, people. So what we are saying is that we should be treated right as a people, not be killed. We are not chickens and we are not animals. It's not, invariably asking that the right thing and fundamental human rights be observed. That's not asking too much. That you should respect people's rights and give people their rights and their liberty. This is very simple, people. Sometimes it's really annoying when we keep, speaking about all these things, and someone will be thinking, okay, indeed, what is happening? Why are we protesting? Because things are not. All right. That's why. Thank you very much. I think I don't know the currency, but someone just gave a super chat. Thank you very much. That's Stella Isaac. He said, thank you very much. We are proud of you, Mazes. Okay, thank you very much, Stella Isaac, for your super chat. I do not know the currency, but it is appreciated. Ariwada, thank you very much. Thanks for coming.
We are here in front of number 10 down the street to appeal to.
So when you hear Downing Street, this is the Downing Street. You're here live and direct.
The wrong history that was written by Harold Wilson in the 1967 to 1970, when over 5 million Igbos were massacred, 3 million of them children. United Kingdom ruled a place called Nigeria today for some years, maybe 100 years, 200 years, before Nigeria was amalgamated by the Sir Lord Lugard, who was then representing Queen Elizabeth. We have been living with them for the past 100 years until we got our independence in 1960. From 1960, we've been managing. Unfortunately, since 2000.
Benedict Iwuchukwu, thank you very much for the super chat. That is quite appreciated. Thank you. Let that keep coming. Show some love. Just keep showing love. Share this stream. Share it. Because this is indeed a fantastic day for that a people on a Friday came together, came out irrespective of what they do. We must show appreciation to them. For everyone you see here has a job, has something doing. But for the benefit of knowing that their siblings back home, when they come out to protest, they will be killed. And they say, we are now come out to protest on your behalf. On your behalf.
If you can do a referendum, they get out of
Manuel Emeka, thank you very much for the super chat. Manuel Emeka, thank you. We appreciate it. Keep it coming.
We can decide whether we want to be part of the so-called Nigeria. It is over 100 years. The document we saw said 100 years, and the 100 years has expired. Now, we want to have a referendum to get out of Nigeria, because Nigeria is no more accommodating. Yes. People in the southwest are calling for their Oduduwa Republic. People in the southeast are calling for Biafra. Our brothers in the middle belt, we are there supporting them in the north. But now they realize they now want to join with the south. Please, we are here for peaceful purposes. We are not here in any way in violence. And that has been our signature. We are peace lovers. Millions of Igbos, millions of people in the south of Nigeria are here in the United Kingdom. And they are all in the NHS as medical doctors, as nurses, and as engineers, as teachers, as professors in the universities. But in our own countries, we are not allowed. We cannot go beyond in anything.
The president now, nearly 90% of all his ministers are from the north, are all Muslims. And this has been going on for years now. But the worst now is that he trained the Boko Haram under 2 weeks and sent them to south of Nigeria as army and as police. Now they are now going to the houses and killing people every day. And this is why we are here today. Enough is enough. Bloodshed. People are being killed every
So
day.
for those of you asking how you do super chat, if you're watching us on YouTube, you can only do super chat on YouTube. If you head on to YouTube, the comment section, you'll see like a dollar sign. You click on it, then the rest will be done. Thank you. So I think we're going to deliver the letter now. So how many people are going, Doctor? Igwe, get one the letter. I am. One them So this is the letter, right? So we can see the letter addressed to number 10 Darwin Street. So we will be heading over now to deliver that later. Okay.
Yeah, it's only 1, 2, 3. Please, they don't want a crowd there. Please, they just allow.
I have to.
No, they press people, you know.
Maybe your own in-house press, because I'm not on my windows.
Okay, so we're ready. Yeah.
Okay.
Who's coming across? 3. Yeah. 3 and
me.
yeah.
Yes. We're live. This camera. Yeah, that's fine. So people, we are live once more, like I said. We are heading over to the... Okay, so Dr. Nigwe, do you have anything to tell the people while you're heading over to see Boris Johnson?
Yes, we are going to deliver the United Igbo groups in the UK protest letter to the Prime Minister Boris Johnson, because Igbo people in eastern Nigeria and Christians are being killed. We want it to stop and stop now. Genocide is going on in the eastern Nigeria. We want it to stop, and we want it to stop now.
Thank you very much.
So that's the message.
Okay.
And that's the letter for number 10 for the Prime Minister Boris Johnson. All the Igbo people in the UK, we are British citizens, but our people, our roots are being destroyed. And that is why we are calling our Prime Minister to ask President Buhari to stop the genocide of our people. Our roots are being destroyed. Our women are being raped in their own home, in their farm. Our youths are being killed by military people, by police people in Nigeria, by Fulani people. And we want it to stop and stop now. Igbo lives matter. They're killing us because we are Christians. And it has to stop, and it has to stop now. Because Nigeria is about to explode. It's about to implode. If nothing is done, the whole of West African sub-region, and indeed Africa, will be in turmoil. And there is no more time left. We need action, and we need action now. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We're all united here. These are the leaders of the Igbo community, the leader of Council of Igbo communities, the leader of Congress of Igbo leaders. We are here united. All the Igbo organizations, we're all behind there, protesting today. We've left work. We are here to say enough is enough. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, who is the letter going to be handed over to?
We understand because of COVID, no one, we're going to post this letter to make sure it gets to the Prime Minister. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So, people, as you have seen, we've come across here. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. So, as you can see, there was basically symbolic gun to go to give the letter. But the letter is not handed because of COVID protocols, but it's going to be posted later today with first-class registration that Boris Johnson is going to get it. So people, thank you very much for many of you who are supporting us with the super chat. That is indeed very interesting, and we appreciate all the super chats. Patrick Ihedimbo, thank you very much for that super chat, and Manuel Emeka, we appreciate the super chat as well. Again, for many of you who say, how do I do super chat? It's very simple. Click on the dollar sign. Keep life safe. We appreciate your super chat. Everyone who is giving us a super chat will be mentioned on this stream. Patrick, once more, we say thank you to you for everything you do. All you have to do for us is to share this stream. This is happening live in the United Kingdom. Something like this for a long while has never happened. On a Friday, this is not a Saturday, this is not a Sunday. On a working day that people have to leave whatever they are doing and come down here just to register their anger and their disgust. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. So these are the leaders.
Igbos are so good, well educated. Wherever you go, you find them. In every part of the world, we are in the Vatican City. Are we not there? Bishop Arins is there. I am aware of that. We are in Canada Parliament. We are in American Parliament. We are also here in UK Parliament. So where are we now? What have we done wrong as to suffer? What have we done wrong as to cry? What have we done wrong? They likely say that the prophet is nobody. I am just saying it till today and to Buhari that Igbos are best of. Igbos met Nigeria. Igbos met Nigeria. And still making Nigeria till tomorrow. So whatever they need from us, they have gotten enough as to let us go.
Yeah, with your rainbow nation. Don't join the picture.
Uncle Biana side. Ụmụ ntorobịa ndị ụkwụ dị ọyị ha tụpụrụ n'etiti. Ndị ụkwụ dị ọyị. Ndị ụkwụ dị ọyị ha tụpụrụ n'etiti.
Ọ na-achọ ndị ọ na-enyo ada n'otu ọhụ.
Don't concentrate on the picture. It's as though it's what will come.
Martin Ago, thank you very much for the super chat. Martin Ago, thank you very much for the super chat. So you can see people, everyone is still. For the past almost 3 hours now, we've been live and we've been streaming. We'll be bringing you this live, uninterrupted. For the past 3 hours, this has been happening uninterrupted. Once more, you're live. You're live. This is once more Njenje Media TV coming to you live from number 10 Darwin Street in London, United Kingdom. This is the house and the office of the British Prime Minister. We've just gone across to deliver the letter to the Prime Minister. Again, share this stream. Support us if you're on YouTube. You can support us. Many of you have given through the super chat and supporting the super chat. Thank you very much for all of you who have done so. We do appreciate every single thing you've been doing. So I remember the Enugu women again. Thank you very much. So how many hours now? We've been live for about 3 hours. I think you guys have been here for 4 or 5 hours. Is it?
6 hours. I was here 9:30.
Wow. Well done. Well done. What a dedication. Proud of you all. Yes. Thank you. Yes, so you're welcome. Stop the killing. Stop the killings in Nigeria.
Of our sisters.
Yeah.
For how long would this go on? For how long are they going to kill us? For how long? I'm full of tears. I'm full of tears. Sadness fills my heart. It's not right. They have to stop. Genocide has to stop.
Has to stop now. Thank you. Hello, sir. May I know you, sir?
I'm Dr. Hughes.
Dr. Dr. Izuchukwu.
I'm a clinical psychologist.
Clinical psychologist. Now, if I'm behaving like a mental person now here, are you going to diagnose me?
No, we don't diagnose.
Okay, you cure.
No, I'm not even cure.
You heal.
No, I'm not even
You look into.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Doctor. You're live here on Njenje Media TV. I hope you know Njenje Media, the only place you get undiluted truth. Yeah. So you are a medical doctor, or you're a doctor, and you left your practice and you came here today. What brought you here?
The importance of for people, it's very important that people understand the reality of what's going on in Nigeria. We cannot say we are happy because our people are not only marginalized, but brutalized, killed unnecessarily, because we want self-determination. This self-determination, we have been looking for it for a long time. Why? Because there's a marriage of inconvenience. The marriage in Nigeria, like a nation, done by the British people. They did it. So the result of what they did is not causing a lot of trouble. That is why we are very much important being here for them, so that they know the implications of what they did in 1914.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you once more. Thank you. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, sister. Thank you for coming. Hello, ma. You say hello to the world. Your gateway in Njenje Media is saying hello to the world. Okay.
Going to parliament.
Okay. Only. Okay. Okay, Mama, I'll come back. Please, everyone else, so I will see you shortly. Okay, we are headed back. I've been called upon now. We are headed back towards the British Parliament. So the police are here and they've taken us once more. We are heading to the British Parliament, isn't it?
Yeah.
So people, and here we are. We are here, headed to the British Parliament. So like I said to us, this is Mazezoke. Mazezoke is live, and he is direct here in the United Kingdom. You know, they say, Obarobabane, you know, Ikuku, I am everywhere. If it happens in Enugu International Airport, expect me to be there next week. But here am I now in London, joining my brothers and my sisters to say that we have a right to protest. And in our protests, in a very civil manner, nothing happened. You know. So please, I hope after this, my Ngwo is waiting for me.
Yeah, this is Alpha.
Okay. No, this is for the executive.
I did ask Congress to approve for initial
Oh dear. So at the end of the day, people, it's been, and the police officer is here. And I would say, PC, thank you very much for a wonderful job you've been doing. You know, you've been going with us everywhere, very peaceful. One thing we are alive now. One thing that I want to appreciate what you do is these are brothers and sisters from Nigeria. You could not believe that the way they had a peaceful protest today is not possible in the country of their birth. Because the police would all come out with AK-47, 49, looking for who to shoot for a peaceful protest. It's human rights abuse, isn't it? Exactly. So I can look at you now, you have got no gun. Because it's a civil society. That's what everybody wants to. Oh, blimey. Thank you very much. Yeah. So people, anyway, media coverage. Media coverage, non-interrupted. So everyone watching us now, we have broken away from the crowd. So if you're watching us and you're wondering why are we no longer seeing people protesting, no, we are still protesting, but selected people, including the press, you know, being represented by Njenje Media TV here, we are headed to the British Parliament to deliver a letter. So join us. Do not click off. The British Parliament. You can see that tall building there. That is the British Parliament. That is where we are headed to go and deliver the protest letter. This protest is being organized by Igbo, various Igbo organizations in the coalition of Igbo groups in the United Kingdom. Okay, you see how cities look? This is United Kingdom life, London, the city of London. Many of you who haven't been here, you can see how civil people behave, how they, you know, at the end of the day, so these are the leaders. So for many of you, please like this stream, share this stream. If you want to make use of the super chat and the super sticker, you are free to do so. On the lower banner, you have also our PayPal account, Afroman with double N 007 at yahoo.de. So people, it is unbelievable what is happening, but here we are. A lot has happened today. For the past 3 hours, we have been bringing you this live stream. Please do not log off because we are marching to the parliament. But because of COVID, we were told that not everybody will join. So a selected few with the press. Thank you very much for the super chat. That's Olaluwa Oguntula. Thank you very much. You are doing a fantastic job. The Yoruba Nation, as I am made to understand, joined us as well. You know. So is it the place? You see. So that's the British Parliament. Again, they are here to deliver the letter. So people, you see what I tell you. I can see you see here we have BBC Igbo and BBC pidgin as well. They are here to deliver the letter.
This is the letter written by the leadership of the entire leadership of Igbo communities in the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland. In this letter, we very clearly articulated the problems that we, the Igbos, are going through in Nigeria. It has been a long time for all of us to come together. And now we're here. This is the British Parliament. This is the House of Commons and House of Lords, the mother of Parliament. And this is where democracy begins. And this is where it most probably will never ever end. We are now bringing this letter because the problem we have in Igbo land now and the southeast and other regions in Nigeria, we can classify that easily as genocide. People are being killed on a daily basis. The humiliation that the Igbos and the Southeasterners are going through in Nigeria is unbelievable. Young boys and young girls are marshaled out of their houses by fully armed soldiers. They go into their houses, they bring them out, and they disappear without any trace. And nobody asks any questions. It should stop. It must not be allowed to continue in this current century that we live in. We are appealing to the members of the House of Commons, and we are appealing to the members of the House of Lords, and we are appealing to the government of the United Kingdom and of Great Britain to please, our knees are on the floor, on behalf of our brothers and sisters who are being killed on a daily basis, to please use your great offices to speak to the powers that be in Nigeria, to the president of Nigeria and his government, to stop the killing of the Igbos, to stop the humiliation of the Igbos on a daily basis. You imagine that when people are driving on a public bus, they stop on police and army checkpoint. Every single passenger on a bus steps out with their hands held high, and then they cross the checkpoint. Only the driver of the bus will drive past the checkpoint. And you do that on a daily basis. Our economies in the southeast, south, and other regions in Nigeria are suffering. We cannot go to our farms, because when we go to our farms, the herdsmen are there killing and maiming our people. We cannot go and do our business because on the road we have the army straddling and frustrating our people on a daily basis. This must stop. We plead with the government of the United Kingdom to please, in the name of our Lord, to stop what is happening in Nigeria. The Christians are suffering. The Christians are being killed all the way from Kaduna State, all the way from Kaduna to the Middle Belt, all the way to the southeast region of Nigeria. We need all that to stop. So this letter, we are going to hand this over to the British Parliament, London, United Kingdom, SW1. And we are handing this formally to them. And in here, we articulated exactly what is happening in Nigeria with evidence. And we'll be happy for them to please read it and take the needful action. Thank you. Thank you. And God bless United Kingdom, and God bless Nigeria, and God bless Igbo. Darling. Thank you.
As Dr. Michael, the president of the Council of the
Right. Okay, so again, like as usual, this is going to be posted by first class and registered at the Parliament will receive that.
Yeah. We will, because of the COVID issue.
Because of the COVID, yes, we understand that.
Send that out by
registered
by first
mail.
class, registered mail, and the receipt must be acknowledged. Will be acknowledged.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. So on that note now, Can you tell us where we are heading from here?
We have
move a bit away from the gate.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, we're going back to the Richmond Terrace where the whole procession is stationed, and we're gonna deliver a press conference there.
Is that where we started?
That's we're gonna go back. We have our things at
Trafalgar Square.
Trafalgar Square to get our
So we're heading back to the Trafalgar
yeah,
Square.
Richmond Terrace first to meet our people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh? So people, for those of you joining us once more, this is still Njenje Media TV live from the United Kingdom. This is London, where you have a coalition of various Igbo groups in the United Kingdom have taken a protest letter to the Parliament, the British Parliament, and they've also taken that letter to the British Prime Minister. They went to the Nigerian embassy as well. You know, this has been happening for the last 2.5, 3 hours now. So as it is, they are now delivered the letter to the British Parliament and they are heading back. Again, people, bear in mind that today is a Friday. On a Friday, a day that people are working, but people are here. The number of people I've seen here is unprecedented. Honestly, it is unprecedented. And you can see the number of people here, meaning you have medical doctors, you have lawyers, you have engineers, you have project managers, you have doctors and nurses. Every one of them left what they are doing and they are here. You can see how a civilized people drive. In the hours that we've been here, have you had anyone honk their car? That is civility. But in Nigeria, the buses, everything will be boop, 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 honking like mad people everywhere. But, and you see how things work. And the civility also is that the police have sent 3 police vans. And everywhere we go, we have about 2 police officers coming after us or going with us. Look at them here. The 2 police officers still here are live with us. Basically, almost like a bodyguard to us. But we must continue, people. Now we are walking back to where the others are. We've gone to the parliament. So here, Mazobioko, sir, what do you have to say about today? You know, everything that's happened, obviously. We've gone to the Nigerian house. We've gone to the number 10 Downing Street. We're just coming from the British Parliament. So what's your take?
I think one thing that stands out today is that the Igbos, all the leaders from over 150, representing over 150 groups in the United Kingdom, we've gathered here today to speak with one voice. And the message that we have sent is very clear, that enough is enough. And what we are saying is that you cannot continue to oppress a people and not expect some reaction from them. Like our demands remain consistent across all the leaders in the United Kingdom. We've never been as united as we are today. And I can only say in Igbo language, because the unity that has happened amongst all the Igbos in the United Kingdom now, it has never been something that we imagined or I imagined would happen in my lifetime. But you can see men, women, children, all of us, the over 150 organizations speaking with one voice, and the message is clear: enough is enough. We do not need all this extrajudicial killing. We do not need our young people being massacred on the pretense of calling them IPOP or ESN member. These are our children, and if there is any issue in the country, there should be dialogue, and you must respect the opinion of people and the askings of people. You cannot use violence to close down
or make people to stop speaking the truth. When people agitate, when people ask for something, it is pertinent that you listen to them, but you cannot unleash violence on them, and then you do not you expect nothing in return. We believe that as civilized people, we must begin to listen to one another and try to solve issues. And the amalgamation of 1914 has happened, but what we are asking, can't we as individuals, as mature people, sit down and dialogue amongst one another? And if we say that the right of self-determination, if people want to succeed from Nigeria, we can only understand them through dialogue. If we think that what they're asking are things that we can provide, then we do that. But if we think that by killing everybody, we then suppress that, like the governor of Abia State said. He said you can kill people, but you cannot kill an idea. You cannot kill an ideology. And we stand on that. Kill as much as you want to kill, but you can never kill the ideology of a people who want to be free, to excel in a God-given land. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mazo Biokoli. Thank you. So people, we are almost back to where we started before we broke to go into delivering the letters. Now you can see that many people are still there waiting. So we are basically going back to say to the people, and we're going to go back maybe through the Nigerian embassy, and they go to the Trafalgar Square. And once they get to the Trafalgar Square, they would have to read out their world press statement, which we will be bringing you live as well here at Njenje Media. And once that is done, then I think it will be fair, I think it will be fair to say and call it a day. People, yes. So people, you can see everyone, and these are the people, everyone's still waiting here. So the procession will still continue now.
Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Igbos shall leave. Igbos deserve to 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 leave. Stop the genocide now. 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 Stop killing the Igbos in southern Nigeria. Stop killing the Igbos in southern Nigeria. Stop the genocide in southeast. 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 Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is
So thank you, many of you who are joining us now. The protest is still ongoing. We are still in front of number 10 Downing Street in London. So because you've just joined us,
then those who were the feeling of community relationship, man, balance.
Hold on, wait.
So
we are overstayed.
So people, I think it's time to go home, or not go home. It's time they are moving back to Trafalgar Square.
People are speaking, when they speak, repeating the word. That's what I've already done.
So you can see everyone. You can see the mamas. Ndinne mama. Ọ dịkwa n'izu ike agwụgonu ndị nne ha wee bịa nọla anị akwụkọtago ọtọ kwụkọta ọtọ akpụ ikpere na-achọkwa ime mmadụ ndị nne ọ dị nnọọ mma biko mama udo biko unu wee na support anyị. Thank you. Mama, you're doing well, Mama. It's very good. It's very good. You people are doing well, Mama. Yeah. So you see, here we have this is Njenje Media Fan Club. Njenje Media Fan Club. Ndị nne mama ike agwụgwọ unu biko nụ a ga-abịa ka onye ọbụla. Okay. Thank you very much, Mama. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, well. I'm all right, sir.
You don't know me.
No, sir. No.
Well, no, you put a very good one. I love. Am I on camera?
Well, it's fine. We are live. So we are live. So, no, go ahead. We are live. Which one? Is it the Yoruba conference or what?
No, it's not that one. It's
the
dot.
Oh, okay, the dot in the second.
It was a classical.
Yeah, thank you. It was untimely too. Untimely too, because we needed to have happened. Thank you. Yeah.
And you got Ogen and Igbos.
Yes. No, Njenje Media, yeah. Ogen and Igbos were, yes.
Ambassador Magazine.
Okay, yeah, Ambassador Magazine. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. So people, many people are happy to. Sorry, I said many people are. Our life is non-stop. So yeah, we'll be live for over 3.5 hours. It's non-stop. No other person does it. So we are live over 3.5 hours. Yes. It's live now. People who couldn't join are joining us. So if you don't want to pay your train or flight ticket like Mazi, at least you pay your data. If you don't want to pay your data and pay nothing, then there is a problem. Hold on. So we are still live. Again, for the many of you who have just joining us, once more know that we are live. The protest is about to move from the British Parliament. If I pan to my right, that is the number 10. You know, when you hear Boris Johnson is speaking, this is that place where the police are standing. That's where he's speaking from. And this is where the protesters are still. So people we are still live. Just keep a date with us. Let me quickly have some water to drink. No, I think we're heading back to Trafalgar Square. Anambra.
Amish.
No, isn't it?
Nneka. Are you a brother to Nneka?
No, which Nneka?
From Osimhen. He's from Nigu.
Okay. From Malika and Asumo.
So I said,
no, it's fine. It's fine. Are we going when we reach? I had to quick. Okay.
Also, media distinction.
So people, the protest is still ongoing. So let me go back to where the people are. So quickly. Okay. So Mazi Obiokol, gini jinki tom.
I get Trafalgar Square speech on AlaIgbo there.
Okay. You see,
those EKD.
Okay.
I move to everybody.
Okay.
God's nation. We reject that completely.
No.
In Jesus' name.
We adopted people.
At the slightest suspicion, the federal military might descend on defenseless citizens in the southeast and killing us and maiming us and causing breakdown of laws and order. Nowhere does the government aid and abet a breakdown of laws and order. It is in Nigeria. And we say it has to stop and stop now. These disturbing situations have led to the people of the South is feeling completely alienated from governance. These further crippled lives and livelihood, heightened fears, bred hopelessness, and invariably left our vulnerable people further isolated from government. They cannot trust to guarantee their protection. Many facets of anti-Igbo posters, a poster of key government functionaries, marshaled by signals, body language of Mr. President, and constant threats to the North, have attracted widespread negativity, prompting persons to react in different ways. The facts backed by verifiable statistics and data are out there and well documented. We are not amused by the tirade of tyrannical theoretics. We are rather bemused by this government's desperate insistence on stigmatization of Igbo in Nigeria. We view this as a ploy to discredit our ethnicity as most fit for evil invasion. They are already there. Our cities are already invaded. The southeast, they are killing our people even as we speak. And that has to stop and stop now. Right now. Igbo leaders in the UK therefore seize this wonderful opportunity to weigh in with our views in unalloyed solidarity with our kids and kids back home. We condemn in the strongest terms the killing of our Igbo brothers and sisters, the raping of our women by Fulani herdsmen, the destruction of our farms, and all sorts of injustice against the Igbo in Nigeria. It has to stop and stop now. President Buhari has been quoted recently as saying that he will crush the insurgents in the southeast under the pretense that individuals involved are members of indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. It is indeed ironic that same government has severally failed to intervene in carnage wreaked on the people of the southeast by the killer Fulani headsmen who use AK-47 and are killing our people, our men, our youth, raping our women, and destroying our farmland. Even the government is unable to deal with Boko Haram. All the bandits, they are negotiating with them and paying them ransom. Why should they treat the Igbos differently? That has to stop and stop now. The president seems to have suddenly woken up from his slumber to unleash terror and wholesale violence on armless civilians in southeast Nigeria. What the president terms insurgents is merely harmless agitation for self-determination, which has construed as a call for war. No, we are not calling for war. The Igbos are peaceful people, and all aggression on us has to stop and stop now. We perceive the intention of Mr. Buhari as contained in open declaration of war during a viral June 12 media interview as very damaging and inimical to national cohesion and reconciliation. how a rational national leader could discriminate against a section of his citizenry to the extent of stereotyping as a dot. The Igbos have been stereotyped as a dot. As a dot in a circle. We are more than a dot in a circle. We are the bridge builders. We are the economic life wire of Nigeria. We are not dead dots on the circle. We reject it in Jesus' name. We are Nigu. We are Nigu. We are hardworking people. We are well-known people. We are not dots. We reject it and reject it now. We do not need Mr. President's war rhetoric and the million jabs to remind us of our painful losses in the 1967 to 1970 Nigerian Civil War, where an estimated 5 million Igbos were killed during that war with starvation and all sorts of use of weapons of mass destruction. 51 years after, the Igbos are still being killed. We want it to stop and stop now. Even more worrying is the shoot on sight order issued recently by the Inspector General of Police in the southeast of Nigeria against Nigu. We reject that and we want it to stop now and stop immediately. We want it to stop now. We have received reliable information from credible sources outlining deplorable actions of men and officers of Nigerian police force, those of the Federal Joint Security Agency in ongoing killings in Igbo land. We are minded of the propaganda machinery of the government to portray fake picture to the world that its involvement these seemingly endless atrocities. We are not deceived by shameless spins and lies of this government and their mouthpiece. We want to say that they should stop killing our people, be them IPOB or ESN or Igbo men. We are not responsible for non-gun men. We are not responsible for non-gun men. The Igbo people are peaceful people. We are respectful people. And we are dignified people. We need to be respected and respected now. Igbo life matter in Nigeria. The agent of IPOB and of Nation and State House as a non-violent movement have been rekindled as and given names with abuses and all sorts of stereotyping. That should stop. The Igbo people are united. The terrorist groups are Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen, bandits, and all their sponsors. We ask the government of Nigeria to go after those Boko Haram people, the sponsors of banditry in the north, and Allah. They are the people sponsoring Fulani herdsmen. Those are the real terrorists. And they should be arrested and arrested now. It is now becoming very clear that the present Nigerian government is incapable of performing its basic constitutional duty of protecting lives and property in the country. Neither has it shown the integrity and sincerity of purpose towards ensuring the safety and security of its people. But it is free to fund its propensity for war. We do not want war, and we do not want war in Igbo land. It has to stop and stop now. We demand the following. One, that the federal government immediate withdrawal of all its deadly troops from the southeast, south of Nigeria, southwest and middle belt. Wherever they are killing the Igbos, they need to stop and stop now. We ask that they put to stop all the senseless killings of Nigerian Christians, including Igbo youth. There is no justification whatsoever for this mindless madness. Consequently, we view continuous slaughtering of Igbo youth as disguised attempts at ethnic cleansing. The youth are the future, and ours cannot be wasted. This has to stop and stop now. We request the federal government to take urgent remedial steps to institute a comprehensive national dialogue aimed at resolving the apparent imbalances and injustices within the policies. It considered thought the lopsided federal appointment and structure, if unresolved, could cause problems in Nigeria, which is already causing. We need national dialogue and need it now. We recommend the revocation of the obnoxious 1999 constitution imposed on us by the military. This should be done before 2023 election, if any. National Constitutional Conference, we demand it and demand it now. We fully support the call for truthful restructuring of the country and the functional fiscal federalism. We want a pre-independence constitution. We want it and want it now. We demand an end to nepotism and favoritism while advising for meritocracy in Nigeria. We condemn the continued killing of Christians and moderate Islamic outside of the Southeast who are suffering the same calamities and the hands in the radical Fulani herdsmen. We join other reputable Igbo organizations worldwide in demanding President Buhari to apologize to Niggu for calling us a dot nation. We are Igbo. We are not a dot people. We call for apology from Mr. President and we call for it now. We call on our good people to remain peaceful and vigilant. We renounce any act of violence except in legitimate self-defense. We advise anyone engaged in any retrogressive action, such as destruction of public and private facilities, to stop that immediately. We cannot channel our energy progressive ways of meeting the onerous security challenges. We need to work together to save our land, and we need to save it now. We call on our international community to impose economic and diplomatic sanctions on Nigerian government and our principals of federal government of Nigeria for their blatant and complete human rights abuses and breaches and violations and corruption and acts of genocide against Igbo people and against our own government. This is against the Geneva Convention, and we're demanding the international community to take action and take it now. In summary, Igbo are peace-loving people, and we deserve better all over the world and in Nigeria. We need to be respected, and we need to be respected now. Igbo lives matter. Igbo lives matter. Enough is enough. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone, and God bless Nigu. Thank you. Thank you.
Submitted to the Parliament and to the Prime Minister, read by the President of the Nigerian
where we're going to have something to drink, some drinks, and after that,
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry I'm speaking to you last. And the reason why I am standing here is to thank you for organizing yourselves for what is happening in Nigeria. What I wish to let you know is that Nigeria died the time we were given independence, 1960. It's a long story. I cannot come here to prove it. That is a different matter. And the British authorities have handled that. The greatest thing that is surprising to us is that
to me particularly, is that British authorities had thought they will be looking for people who are informed, people who are educated, people who are advanced in thought. But they took Nigerian government and gave it to the Fulanese, the smallest group in Nigeria. So either because they conquered the houses and they felt that with them they can do any other thing. The long and short of what I wish to say is that the future of our people are in our hands. We have been coming here to demonstrate every now and then. The more we come to demonstrate, the more they feel they are on top of us. So it is up to us now to organize ourselves. We have various aims. Some of them I mentioned here, but that is not the total aim. So whether you are from, my name is Joseph Ibe.
Okay.
So unity is what I'm trying to say. Whatever, they not give us presidency in 2013. What is happening will continue to happen. There is nothing that will make our people to be safe, continue in peace in the next 100 years, 200 years. I don't want to say much. Thank you very much. Biafra is what I'm here for. Thank you very much. That is what I want. Enough is enough.
So, everyone joining us, thank you very much once more. This is still Mazes Zoki here live at Njenje Media TV. We have been on this for the last 3 hours, 45 minutes non-stop. People, it has been a pleasure to be here when I was invited for this protest. I said, come shine, come sun, come rain, I must endeavor to be here amidst my busy schedules. And I am not regretting being here because I have seen a people who are determined, a people when pushed to wall, you know that goats can also bite. And I've seen a people who came together to say the killings of their siblings, their brothers, their sisters, their moms, their dads, uncles, nieces, and nephews at home, that they are not happy with such. And this is why they have all come out today to protest. And they, have gone to the Nigerian embassy, they've gone to the number 10, which is on your right, and they have also gone to other places, the parliament as well. Now they're heading back to Trafalgar Square. People, I would say, as we say in Igbo, when the masquerade known as Ojono, after dancing and shows his backside, we can say that yes, Ojono Abasigo Egwu Boike. That means it has come to the end of what he knows how to do best. You can say that. Yeah. So on that note, I would say, Mazes, okay, I have tried getting to 4 hours broadcasting non-stop. On that note, I would say thank you very much for joining me. Share this video with every other person. That is the biggest protest that has happened in London by various Igbo organizations. So thank you once more for those of you who have joined us and who have given us super stickers for what they've done. Thank you very much for all that you've done. For those of you who are still asking how you use super sticker, of course you can use the super sticker. It is very simple. Just click on the comment section when you want to type your message. You will see the $sign. Click on it and the rest will be history. That is only for people who are on YouTube. It doesn't work for Facebook. On that note, I say thank you very much, everyone. It's been a wonderful time. And I am indeed happy that I came to be part of this. It is indeed a thing of joy, to note that the people can come out and say no to killings, say no to injustice when it matters most.
when it matters most, that they can actually come out together. You know? And you can see the police there going. They are going, they think they've done their job. I think 2 vans have gone. So it's only one that is going to be now coming with the people. So I'll let the people come. Once more people support what we do, you can use the super chat to do that. You've been so wonderful. You have been a wonderful audience. So, people, you can see. Ariwado. It's Ikwato community.
Yes, so.
Ariwado. So what do you have to say after the whole event today?
Well, so far we've done well. We've done well. Just hope that the Nigerian government and all their supporters somehow listen to us and at least sit down with us so that we can plan a better way forward. Yes. If we're going to have one Nigeria, then we better plan it well. If not, we can all go separate, and then maybe we'll go separate as separate nations.
Or
and
we'll go to southern Nigeria.
Or maybe we'll go separate nations and form a coalition of regions or whatever, yeah. But right now, Nigeria, the way it is, it's not working for anybody.
It's not working.
It's not even working for the Fulani people. I'm sure they are tired of the stress. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Ariwado.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So people, that's it. Like I said before, it has been a wonderful time and it's been a pleasure joining you people. I might come online later again, but for now, let me go have some water to drink. 4 hours broadcasting non-stop. Legendary. People, thank you once more for joining me. Please subscribe to this channel, share this video. Every person must see this. It's unprecedented. Thank you very much. Now, Maze Zoka, signing off. Bye-bye.